Hi, what happened to my camera? Give me 1 minute time.
morning,
Namaskar everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Namaskar everyone. So how are you all?
Namaskar, ma'am.
Feeling better today? Namaskar beta. Feeling better today?
Yes.
Hey?
No,
How are you feeling
ma'am.
today?
Good morning,
Better?
ma'am.
Huh? Say yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
So we are going to start prayer. I'm going to start that one. Wait a minute. Okay. So all of you, join your hands, close your eyes. So with me, Shlokam is there. Okay. Join your hands, close your eyes. So here we are going to start the prayer. या वीणा वरदंड मंडित करा सपनासना या ब्रह्मकरा पातु सरस्वती भगवती Now all of you can open your eyes. Here we have done with the prayer. Okay. Now you tell me, who will tell me thought today? I need a good thought today.
Ma'am, can I?
Who is that?
Ma'am, can I?
I need one thought. Okay, I need one thought today. Tell me who is going to say thought.
Ma'am, can I, Monil?
Ma'am,
If you know it,
ma'am, can I?
yes.
Ma'am, can I?
First you have I not can I. Wait.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I am. Ma'am, can I?
Wait a minute.
Ma'am, I had wrote that thought yesterday only.
That student has to share thought. Okay. So today Tirthak Ugreja will speak a thought. Tirthak,
Yes,
we need
ma'am.
a thought from you.
Okay, ma'am.
Say a
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, no matter who you are, the matter is
yes, the matter is
ma'am, he
no
has been
matter
left.
who you are.
A network connection. He has been left, ma'am.
Okay, he has left the meeting. Maybe he has network issue. Tirthak has joined. Tirthak, please complete your thought. You said that no matter who you are. Then next, no matter who you are. Next is
the matter is what you are.
yeah. Okay, fine.
Ma'am, can you
The
please
matter
check my thought I have written in chat box?
what you are. That's wonderful. That's good. Thank you so much
Ma'am,
for
can
this
you
beautiful
please-
thought. Tirth.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you please
I have.
check the box?
Okay, I have received two thoughts from Anil and Milan. 1 minute, beta. So Milan has written that education is the most powerful weapon and which can use to change the world. That's great. Thank you so much, Monil. Now Milan has written that speaks when your words are more beautiful than silence. That's wonderful. Really, I really believe in that. If your words more beautiful than the silence, then you should speak. Otherwise, no need to speak unnecessary thoughts and all. Okay. Thank you so much, students. So yesterday we have discussed that how to write informal letter. I had given you the format of informal letter. Only thing is remaining that I have to share that format in your WhatsApp group. Okay. I have clicked the picture. Only need to share with you. But after this class, I'll be sharing. Agastya has written. Let me see what he has written. Agastya has written that things don't have value, but when it becomes memory, then only it has value. Yes, thank you so much. Very good, beautiful thought, Agastya. You children are so active, proactive children. So I'm really proud of you and happy to get you as my student. Thank you so much. Here also one of my students sitting in front of me. I really like him. Okay, yesterday he was absent. Okay, fine. So yesterday we have learned informal letters. There we have learned that how to write informal letter, right? First, sender address. Secondly, you have to leave one line. You have to move to next step, that is, you have to write date. Date should be the combination of both word and number. Okay, I will pass you all the details. Okay, slow, fine. After writing that, you can write receiver address. Okay, it is not always compulsory, but if you are writing, then it is better. You will write receiver address. After writing receiver address, salutation. After salutation, you have to write 3 paragraphs. If you are not paragraphs, you can write in one format, but 2 lines for asking well-being. The second paragraph, you will start writing the matters via the letters. Lastly, you will end the letter with or asking for reply or something like that. And last ending, you can write yours lovingly, your best friend, your caringly, whatever the word it is suits for you, you can add. Okay, it is not yours. You have to write yours. YOURS. Okay, got it, everyone? So it is the revision of yesterday. My video is stuck.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's okay. Now it's
Ma'am, I had written my thought. You can see last thought is of mine.
Yes, I have received so many thoughts. Bansri has, Bansri, Monil, Milan also, Monil, Milan written two times. Okay, see, we have so many thoughts, but one day we can just follow one thought every day. No need to collect so many thoughts and we will follow everything. It will be of, you will get the failed result. So better one thought every day and we will follow that. Fine? Anything remaining in chapter 3? I don't think anything remaining in chapter 3 because, yes. See, listen, all of you remember one thing, okay? Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, my thought is everything is easy if you are crazy. Nothing will be easy if you are lazy.
Same type of thought I think Bansri or somebody has shared yesterday or day before yesterday. Okay, but it's nice, wonderful. Thank you so much. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I had sent you Gmail of homework you have given that as an aunt I have to write informal. Can you check it?
Ma'am?
Okay. Let me check that. Yes, tell me, beta.
Ma'am, can I also say one thought?
What did you say? You want to share a thought?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Can I share it?
Jenny, you have written first mailman. That means what is the meaning of that?
वो तो मैम आपने वो आईडी आ नहीं रही थी ना इसलिए वो मैंने बाद में
Jenny, I'm not
दिखाया
receiving.
आपने देखो.
Okay. Wait. I'm showing you all whatever Jenny has written. Sharing with you the screen. Look, you can come here and see.
कट जाता है तो आप अपना कॉलिंग फोन नंबर आप मुझे दो ना एक
I
मिनट
don't know for what reason I'm not going to. It is taking little time to share with you the screen. Give me 1 minute time. I think I have network issue.
Ma'am, can you make me presenter? I saw.
Screen, wait for a moment.
मैम जनरल को प्रेजेंटर मैम मेक द प्रेजेंटर टू जनरल.
Abhinav left the meeting. Okay, no problem. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now I'm going to share whatever Janil has sent me. So this is Janil's
Ma'am, loading.
letter. He has written to me. That
Yes.
loading. Okay, but I have already found it. Okay. So he has written in address Somnath Society, Rabapur Road, near Galaxy Apartment, Morbi 363641. Date he has written 23rd June 2021. Very good. Okay, beginning is so well. Now he has written, dearest aunt, I hope you are feeling safe at home in this pandemic situation. I wish to God for your healthy life and may God bless me for this. I hope your father and mother are also safe at home. So instead of father or mother, you could write grandfather. Aunt means grandfather and grandmother, right? For you, but it's okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you for the present sent to me on my birthday. I was overjoyed by your gift on my 30th birthday. My heartfelt thanks for your wonderful gift of a beautiful wristwatch on my birthday. It is really beautiful and latest in design. Looks of watch are beverly, elegant and beautiful. I really want a wrist. Okay, you really wanted a wristwatch. I often get late in attending online classes and my other classes. I'm just reading, wait, but now I will reach my classes on time and you had fulfilled my wish. I promise you to make good use of this wristwatch and do all my work in routine. It always reminds me of your love. Thanking you and once again and for this beautiful gift. Give me regards, a lots of love, dear okay, to uncle. Okay, thank you so much, Janil. That means when is your birthday, Janil?
18/7/2008.
Janil, when is your birthday?
18/7, ma'am. 18 June.
What?
18
Which
July.
date? Please write down in chat box,
July.
okay?
Okay.
Okay, move now. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, yesterday I have find out the post office address. Today I will go and buy some important document which is regarding the letter and envelope and ticket, and I will come at home with my cycling and I will write a letter and tomorrow I will post.
Then you are going to send me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I had written only.
Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, I'll be waiting for you later. Now moving to chapter number 4. Okay. Okay. All of you open chapter number 4. After learning chapter number 4, we'll go for the literature book. Okay. Literature book and speaking part, both will do together. Okay. So let's move to chapter number 4. The chapter number 4 name is Saving Chilika. Have you opened, all of you?
Ma'am, when you will
Yes,
send
ma'am.
the question answer PDF of chapter number.
That I said I have already get ready with that. I was about to send that.
Ma'am.
I had the time to attend at the class. That's why it is there. But wait, I will send you just after your class. Okay?
Ma'am, do you know
Just after
when
your
the school will be
yes
open?
reopen. Yes, I know.
ma'am. Ma'am, when?
I know that.
Ma'am, come
I don't know.
No, ma'am.
Better after the yes. Better my name is Devi, but I'm not the real Devi. Okay? Okay, I'm joking. If I get to know, then I will share the date. Okay? Now moving to the chapter 4, Chilika. I'm going to rub the thought. Okay, but you remember what is the thought?
It's very nice, ma'am. I have read one time.
What the chapter is? Yes. Shlok is also saying that he has already started reading. Finished it. Okay. Saving Chilika. Chapter 4.
Ma'am, this is if this is the do you know what type of the writing was? This is the general, ma'am. General.
This is general.
Ma'am,
Yes, I think.
Chilika is
ma'am, you
Odisha.
understand cursive writing? Ma'am, you
What did you say?
understand cursive?
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
said
you
that.
know-
Yes, of course I understand cursive. Of
Ma'am,
course I
Chilika is
understand
the lake
cursive
in
handwriting. I was
ma'am.
Write cursive
yes,
in
it
your
is
book.
big lake. You can.
Ma'am, because
Okay.
some of them ma'am understand and in one time I write all the book na, then in half of the book I got scratch marks because ma'am didn't understand the cursive writing. So I started simple
You can
writing.
write. You can write cursive in English, no problem. Okay. In English notebook, you write in cursive. Okay. Now moving to the reading part. Okay. So all of you get ready with that. Yes. Here I'm going to read, and after that you will follow, and I will take reading test of yours. Okay. Now moving to the chapter 4. My first glimpse of the lake did not give me a sense of its vastness. Driving down from Bhubaneswar, I had approached the lake from its northwestern side through a village named Mangaljodi. Soon, however, I reached a path that narrowed down further till it became a burned that slide the marshal land into two.
Mangla Jodi.
Yes? Mangala Jodi. Yes, that Odia name is that is Mangala Jodi. Mangala. In Odia it is called Mangala. Mangala Jodi. Okay. Mangala Jodi means it is the name of a goddess, Mangala Devi. Okay. So there are many cities or village names. It is named with goddesses.
Ma'am.
Okay. So Mangala Jodi. Soon, however, I reached a path that narrowed down further till it became a bond that slides the marshland into two. On one side, hundreds of open-billed stork were feeding in the shadow water, while on the other side, sticky warbles were creating an endless cacophony. This was Chilika, the finest bird sanctuary in India and amongst the richest ecosystems in the world. The unique half saltwater, half freshwater lake in Odisha is 70 kilometers in length and 30 kilometers in breadth. It is Asia's largest brackish lake, and what is the meaning of brackish? Do you know? In your book, it is written impure water which
Impure
has
and salty water, ma'am.
ocean water.
like
Yes.
sea water.
But we'll hardly find salt water in lake, right? So lake, and it is the habitat of number of species of plants and animals. It is one of the largest wintering grounds of migratory birds in the Indian subcontinent. While I was admiring the lake, my friend told me its history and how one man with a team of poachers turned protectors and had helped to change its destiny. Okay, as I told you, let me, while explanation, I will tell you the history of this Chilika lake, okay, fine? But today, let me take your reading test. So here I am going to ask Monil Saha for reading. Monil Saha, turn your camera and start reading.
Ma'am, can I
Yes.
read?
Monil Saha. Better Monil Saha, if you don't start, then I will give chance to other, okay? We don't have that much time.
Ma'am, after Monil, can I?
Ma'am,
Can you repeat what is spoke? My network
Not ask
issue.
or cry. I said you to read chapter number 4.
Yes, ma'am, just a second. Ma'am, after Monil, can I read Milan?
Better wait, call your name. And why are you crying in between, beta? Huh? Why don't you keep patience?
Ma'am,
Okay? So
Ma'am.
let's give chance to other
ma'am,
also.
can you read?
Keshav Agrawal, start reading.
Ma'am, can I read Monil?
Monil, you didn't reply, so I called somebody else, right? Yeah, start reading,
Ma'am,
Monil.
Okay. ma'am.
Quickly, without asking any question.
My first glimpse of the lake did not give me a sense of its vastness. Driving down from Bhubaneswar, I had approached the lake from its northwestern side through a village named Mangalachodu. Soon, however, I reached a path that narrowed down further till it became a bund that sliced the marshlands into two. On one side, hundreds of open-billed storks were feeding in the shallow water, while on the other side, speed warblers were creating an endless cacophony. This was Chilika, the finest bird sanctuary in India.
One more paragraph.
Yes, ma'am. And amongst the richest ecosystems in the world. This unique half salt water, half freshwater lake in Odisha is 70 kilometers in length and 30 kilometers in breadth. It is Asia's largest brackish lake and is the habitat of a number of species of plants and animals. It is one of the largest wintering grounds for migratory birds in the Indian subcontinent. While I was admiring the lake, my friend told me its history and how one man with a term of poachers turned protectors had helped to change their destiny. In 1981, Chilika was recognized as a Ramsar site for its ecological importance and rich biodiversity.
But, okay, that's enough. That's enough. The Monil,
Okay, ma'am.
4 marks. Okay. To next. Yeah.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt.
Keshav. Now it is turn of Keshav. My voice
Ma'am,
is not
Keshav.
clear?
Ma'am, Keshav left.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Keshav.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt,
Keshav.
but last time when was the reading test? You give 4.5 marks the highest. Now it's 5, the highest marks.
But just now I have started reading test, okay?
No, ma'am, I am asking. Last time you told the 4.5 is the highest mark which I will give. So this time you will give 5 marks?
Depends on your reading way, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So,
Ma'am, can you please tell everyone to please switch off his mic? Because ma'am, your voice is coming 2 times.
got it. Now, Janil Bharonia, please unmute yourself, turn your camera and read.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute.
case of 0. Janil, yes. Turn on your camera and read.
I am visible, ma'am.
Yes, beta Janil.
Okay, ma'am. In a matter of 10 years, all this changed. Chilika was tagged as a degraded site and put on the red list. This was because of a dual tragedy that struck Chilika. Firstly, there was rampant poaching. About 1,000 birds were killed every day by shooting, by trapping in nets, and by poisoning them with pesticides. And soon, the number of birds dwindled to just a few thousand. Secondly, around the same time, the mouth of the lake started narrowing down till it almost closed. So, the amount of seawater entering the lake decreased. Due to reduced salinity, many freshwater weeds began to grow here, which in turn destroyed the vegetation of the lake. It was at this time that Nanda Kishore Bhujbal returned to Chilika. As a young boy, Nanda Kishore had once shot an egret near the lake. The bird had fallen to the ground, holding a twig in its mouth. When Nanda Kishore realized that the egret must
That is Nanda
have been
Kishore, beta. This is Odia name, so it is Nanda Kishore Bhujbal. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Nanda Kishore
Kishore released that the egret must have been carrying the twig to build a nest. He was filled with remorse. Years later, when he came back to Chilika, he saw that there were only a few thousand birds left. Once again, he felt a deep sense of guilt and vowed that he would do everything possible to save the birds.
Janil, yes, that's much enough. Thank you so much. I have given you 4 marks, okay? Now moving to next student. Jas Patel. After Jas Patel, Shlok will read.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, turn on your camera.
Ma'am, am I visible?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Once again, he left a deep sense of guilt and vowed that he would do everything possible to save the birds. He talked to people in the neighborhood villages and found out that these birds were poached by these dirty dozen. A group led by a man named Madhu Behera. Nanda Kishore met members of the group and explained why they should stop poaching the birds. He also explained that the forest officials had put the lake under surveillance because it was now on the red list. The poachers paid no heed to him instead rudely asked him not to interfere their livelihood. But Nanda Kishore refused to give up. He tried to garner support from the locals. This made the poacher so angry that one night Madhu Behera, armed these weapons, went to Nanda Kishore's house and threatened him with direct consequences. If he did not leave them alone, Nanda Kishore was not afraid. Kill me if you must, he declared, but the spare of the birds, they have no way now where else to go. A week later, the dirty dozen were back at Nanda Kishore's
Okay, if you are facing trouble, let me switch or turn off my camera.
A week later, the dirty dozen went back at Nanda Kishore's doorstep.
Only this time they were transformed lot. Nandakishore's words.
Just I think you have internet issue. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Okay, just Patel, that's much enough. Better. Just Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
It is not audible clearly, just Patel. Whatever I have.
Ma'am, now I'm audible.
Hello, Josh. Hey, Josh. Josh, કાલ આવવાનો?
Okay, just Patel, actually I could not hear you properly, but how much I have listened you, okay, I'm giving you marks. The beginning part you have done so well, so I'm giving you 4.5 marks to just Patel, okay, 4.5 to just Patel. Now moving to next student, Bansri. Oh, sorry, I did wrong. Okay, after Slok, Bansri will read. Slok, come here and read. After Slok, Bansri will read.
Okay, ma'am.
Slok, come here and read. Read from this page. Page number 41.
Nandakishore realized that the poachers had the extensive knowledge about the birds. They could identify the migratory birds that visited Chilika in the winter. They could keep track of the time that birds started coming in and when they started going back, what they feed on, where they roasted, and every other details of the birds. He decided to their knowledge, tapped to their knowledge. He held a workshop for the ex-poachers and trained them to become the natural guiders. They were taught the English names to these birds and they were also taught how to improve the communication skills, both of which were necessary if they had to interact with the tourists and nature lovers. Several organizations came forward to make Nandakishore's ecotourism efforts more successful. The Chilika Development Authority (CDA) gave them land to set up an official and an interpretation center. They also provided equipment like the binoculars and tanks. The poachers turned protected payload. They patrolled the waterway of Chilika. They took nature lovers around there in their boats as they knew the water boats of each species and provided food to visitors. The ones with superior communication skills become the guides. The CDA also opened up the mouth to the lake and restored the delicate balance of the water body. Finally, in 2002, Chilika was removed.
Enough. So well, very nice, Slok. You read so well. Okay, 7 marks. No. Okay. Slok read so well, but he was little fast. Okay. So he scores 4.75. Next, moving to Bansri. Bansri,
Yes, ma'am.
please read.
Finally, in 2002, Chilika was removed from the red list. It is the only ecosystem in Asia to have ever come out of the decreased list.
Then
Chapter finished.
chapter finished, but you have to read first paragraph again.
Okay, ma'am. My first
Yes.
glimpse of the lake did not give me a sense of its vastness. Driving down from the Buddheshwar, I had approached the lake from the northwestern side through a village named Magalagodi. Soon, however, I reached the path of narrowed down further till I became a bound that lined the marshlands into strokes were filling in the shallow water, while one of other side streaked worms were creating an
endless cacophony.
This was Shikaka, the finest bird in India and among the richest
Okay,
ecosystems in the
Bansri,
world.
Bansri, that's enough, beta. So your score is 4.25. Okay, thank you so much, Bansri. After Bansri, let me check. Dharmi Mirza will read. Dharmi Mirza. Dharmi will read after this. Abhinav, I will give you chance, beta, wait. Abhinav, Agastya, I will give you chance, wait. Dharmi. Okay, Dharmi is not reading. Give her 0 mark. Himanshi Khurana.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, turn your camera and start reading.
Okay, ma'am.
Dharmi 0 mark.
Ma'am, just a minute.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, is this real?
Yes.
Am I
Himanshi,
visible?
turn on your camera. Yes.
This
Read.
unique half salt water. Ma'am, should I start?
No, page number 31. You read from page number 31. First paragraph.
Ma'am, 31 or
So
38?
39. Oh, 39.
39. Okay, ma'am. This was Chilika, the finest bird sanctuary in India and amongst the richest ecosystem in the world. The unique half saltwater and half freshwater lake in Odisha is 70 km in length and 30 km in breadth. It is Asia's largest brackish lake and is the habitat of a number of species of plants and animals. It is the one of the largest wintering grounds for migratory birds in the Indian subcontinent. While I was admiring the lake, my friend told me its history and how one man with a team of poachers turned protector had helped to change its destiny. In 1981, Chilika was recognized as a Ramsar site for its ecological importance and rich biodiversity. In a matter of 10 years. All this changed. Chilika was tagged as a degraded site and put on a red list. It was because of dual tragedy and struck Chilika. Firstly, there was rampant poaching. Ma'am?
Yes, I'm here, but I'm listening.
Oh, I thought...
Because the letter issue, I have... no, turn off my video.
Okay. Chilika was tagged at degraded site and put on the red list. This was because of dual tragedy which struck Chilika. Firstly, there was rampant poaching. About 1,000 birds were killed every day by shooting, by trapping in nets, and by poisoning them with pesticides. And the soon number of birds dwindled to just a few thousand. Secondly, around the same time, the mouth of lake started narrowing down till it amounts closed. So
Okay, Himanshi, that's not enough. Thank you so much. Himanshi, I'm giving you here 4.5 marks to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
4.5. Welcome, beta. That's great. Okay. Now, wait. I have missed all the messages. No problem. Okay. Next, Agastya will read. After Agastya, Milan, and after Milan, Ashita Moria. This is the sequence. Quickly read. Agastya, Milan, and Ashita.
Ma'am, can I start from starting?
No, you start from page number 39, where she has left.
Okay. Over here, it was at this time that Nanda Kishore, Jubal. Now, what is this Nanda Kishore? Bhujbal returned to Chilika. As a young boy, Nanda Kishore had one shot at Egridnia's left. The bird had fallen to the ground holding a twig in his mouth. When Nanda Kishore realized that Ygritte must have been carrying the twig to make nest, he was filled with remorse. Years later, when he came back to Chilika, he saw that there were only a few thousand birds left. Once again, he felt a deep sense of guilt and vowed that he would do everything possible to save the birds. He talked to people in neighboring villages and found out that birds were poached by Dirty Dozen, a group led by a man called Mandu Behara. Nandakishore met the member of the group and explained why they should stop poaching the birds.
Okay, Agastya, that's much enough today. Agastya, listen, Agastya, please keep it in your mind, whatever I'm going to tell you. You read so well. Okay, you have good understanding, everything very good, excellent. Okay, but don't be so excited. When you become so excited, you do little mistakes. Okay, you were so hurried in that. That thing you have to control. Okay, to utilize your talent. You are really a talented boy. Okay, so how can you utilize your talent to make yourself little calm? Okay, at least do 5 minutes meditation so that you can be in control. Understand, Agastya?
Yeah.
Ma'am, Milan,
Yes,
can
yes.
I now?
Yes.
Ma'am,
4.5 to
ma'am, can you see?
Yes, I can see you, Milan.
Okay. He also explained that the forest official had put the lake under surveillance, but because it was now on the red list, the poachers had no heed to him and instead rudely asked him not to interfere with their livelihood. But Nandakishore refused to give up. He tried to garner with her livelihood, but Nandakishore suffered from the locality. The made the poacher so angry at one night Madhu Behera, armed with weapons, went to the Nandakishore house and threatened him with the dried consequence. If he did not leave them alone, Nandakishore was not afraid. Kill me if you must, he declared. But spare the birds, they have nowhere else to go. A week later, the dirty dozen were back to Nandakishore's doorstep. Only this time was where transformed Lord Nandakishore words had touched Madhu deeply. The groups had thrown their weapons into the lake and taken the pledge to save Chilika and all its dwellers. They had stood the
Okay, thank you so much, Milan. That's much enough. Okay. So, Milan, I'm giving you 4.5 marks. Put 1.5 marks to Milan. Okay.
Ma'am, 4.5 marks from the 5 no?
Yes, out of 5. Okay. Agastya, Milan, and Ashita Moria. Next, Ashita Moria.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, are you
After
able to
Ashita, I'm
see?
going. Yes, no,
Excuse me,
not
ma'am.
yet. Ashita. Not beta, not yet. Yes, Ashita, I can see you, beta.
Several organizations came forward to make Nandakishore's ecotourism efforts make successful. The Chilika Development Authority gave them land to set up an office and an interpretation center. They also provided equipment like binoculars and tents. The poachers turned protectors patrolled the waterways of Chilika. They took nature lovers around in their boats, as they knew the whereabouts of each species and provided foods to visitors. The ones with superior communication skills became guides. The CDA also opened the mouth of the lake and restored the delicate balance of the water body. Finally, in 2002, Chilika was removed from the red list. It is the only ecosystem in Asia to have come at the dreaded list. Ma'am, I am starting the chapter again.
No, that's not enough, beta. I have given you 4.75 marks to you. Very good, Ashita Moria. Congratulations. You and Shlok has these two highest marks. Okay. So it's you.
Thank you, ma'am.
4.75. Okay.
Ma'am, and
Okay, I'm going to pause.
Ma'am, I and Josh had second highest mark, 4.5.
Okay. That we'll discuss later. Okay. All of you complete your task, whatever I have given you. Let me take screenshot of your attendance. Wait a minute. Don't leave the meeting. Okay. Bye all of you. Take care. Have a good day. Complete your work and please submit your project that I have told you. Okay. Bye beta.